So the legendary coach of 400 meters world champion Antonio Watson, Mr. Glen Mills, is not giving much away in terms of his expectations for the Paris Olympics. Listen.
Young Watson has been very dedicated and conscientious. He listens very well and is easily to coach. And he's a great competitor. And I think he has a bright future if he continues along that line. The Olympics is our main goal. And we have had a great history in the Olympics, and we're hoping that we can at least get back some of that glory.
Coach Mills is not saying much, but the Maverick will. I think the aim must be for Watson to consolidate his position as the top quarter miler in the world, starting in Paris. The confidence gained by the World Championship win at the age of 22, the mission must be for long-term dominance of the event. Making finals and mere medal podium finishes is for athletes who are not sure they can medal. Watson has demonstrated that he can beat the best in the world and should be programmed to continue to beat the best in the world. You know, I feel Coach Mills a play coy because he knows that this Antonio Watson is a bad boy.